Hey guys, this is part 2 to my like getting my shit together kind of series. Not even a series, like just video I guess. So if you haven't seen part 1 yet, make sure you go check that out. But today we're going to be starting part 2, and the first thing I'm going to do is just put away all the clothes that I need to into my drawers, and then I'm going to take these out. I'll probably take them out either tonight or tomorrow to put the rest of my clothes in my wardrobe. So yeah, I'm just going to start by putting everything I need to in my drawers. So I'll probably just speed this part up so I can listen to some music and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I've put all the clothes away now that I need to. So these are all to go out to my wardrobe. If you didn't know, my wardrobe is out near my filming room, just because I don't have enough room in here to put my wardrobe. So I'm just going to chuck those in there so it's a little bit easier to carry out, I guess. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll leave the clothes for now. I've got some dirty clothes to take out, so I'll take those out. I'll take all the rubbish out from here, and like apart from the clothes I'll clean everything else up, if that makes sense. So I'll do that now. Yeah. Okay, so it's probably been about a week again, but I finally picked up the rest of my stuff from my sister's house, so I have my clothing rack now. So I need to fit my clothing rack in my room and start putting my jumpers onto it. So I'm thinking I might bring this table back over here and try and fit it in there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, but I'll try. Guess I'll sit it here so you guys can kind of see. I'm gonna have to clear a little path, so yeah. I've had all day to do this, and I've waited until like 9 o'clock when I'm meant to be going to sleep. That's procrastination. Okay, I feel like that's not too bad. It's not ideal, but fun. So it's just there now. My door won't like fully open now, but that's fine. Like I don't need it to anyway. And it won't fully fit behind the wall because of this thing, like for the door stopper or whatever, but that's fine. I don't mind. Okay, cool. So now I've just got to bring my clothing rack in. Okay, I feel like cool. So now I'm pretty much just gonna start to hang up some of my jumpers on there. So yeah, I'll do that now. I think I might put some music on as well and just speed this part up. But I'll do as many as I can because I'm about to have a shower and go to bed. I've got work tomorrow, but I'll do as many as I can for now, and then okay, so I've got that kind of full now. I almost feel like I should put it back over here, like swap this little thing and that, but I don't know if it'll fit. I feel like I should try though. I might try. Okay, I feel like this looks so much better. So there's all my clothes now. And now I can see my undies and stuff down there. And then I can put all my shoes under here. Well, some of them anyway. The ones I use most frequently. So I guess I'll do that now. Okay, so I feel like that looks 100 times better. I'm so happy with that. So I'm probably gonna go to bed now. And then I can sort the rest of my clothes out into my wardrobe if I need to put out there. The rest of them, there's still a few jumpers and stuff to put up, but I think I'll find those like as I go through as well. And there's also some things I want to take off that rack, like the dresses and stuff. I want to hang them up in the wardrobe because they're things that I'm not going to use as often, whereas my jumpers I use every day. So yeah, I'll see you at my next update. Hey guys, sorry you can't really see me, lol. But so I can't remember where I really left off. I think it was where I started organising things onto my like my clothing rack. So I've done that, and now I've got about like three baskets or boxes or whatever to put of clothes to put in my actual wardrobe. So that's what I'm going to do today. I think I'm just going to listen to some music and like fast forward it and yeah, do that. So I've got two baskets whatever out here to start with, and then I can grab the other ones. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Okay, my camera's about to go flat, so that's all I'm going to do for now. I'll let my camera charge and then I might do a bit more soon. Yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, so my room is an absolute mess. But what I want to do today, I still haven't finished my clothes and stuff, but that's something that I will do later, because what I want to do today is there's a few things I want to improve in my room. I want to put up my picture here. I also have some canvases that I might put up there or something, or maybe here. And I also want to put some fairy lights up. So what I'm going to do first is clean my room, because as you can tell it's a mess. So I want to clean my room first, make it that I can actually walk around here, take all the rubbish and everything out, and then I'm going to, yeah, put up my picture and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's do it. So I've got two different sets of lights. Apparently these ones are called curtain string lights and they look like that. But then I've also got these ones which just say 10-meter string lights. So I don't know the difference. I'm gonna open these and see what they look like. Hopefully they're still gonna work, because I bought these ages ago. But anyway, I don't know if these ones are just kind of like straight or how they work. It just seems to kind of be a straight line of lights, maybe? I don't know. and they're like wire. But yeah, they just, so maybe these ones could go like around the top of my roof or something, I don't know. But I want you guys to be able to see them as well, so I'm kind of like, I feel like I need to go and find some batteries first before I put them up to make sure that these actually work, because I bought these months and months and months ago. But yeah, I'm not really sure what to do with these ones, if I'm being honest. Right, so it's literally just a line, pretty much. Just a 10-meter line. Alright, and then the other ones are like ones that actually kind of like dangle. But I'm going to, I just need to see what batteries I take. It says battery powered. Oh, 3 times AA. Alright, I'm going to go inside now and grab some batteries. These one, oh yeah. Okay, so I need 6 AA batteries. And I'm just going to test that they actually work before I go through the effort of hanging them up, just in case they don't. Yeah, I'm going to go do that now and then I'll be back. So I think we're all out of batteries at the moment, which is really annoying. But I did take some out of the remote just to see if this works. Because like I said, I don't want to put it all up and then have them not work. I would be very mad. So I'll just, oh cool, oh wow, they're so pretty. They are really, really pretty actually. Alright, cool. Okay, so that one works, that's good. Now let's try the other one. That sucks because I probably won't be able to do like a full reveal today. Actually, I might text my dad and ask if he could pick up some batteries after work. That would help me out a lot. Now I can't get this thing back on. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna open this one. These work. I do already have some open. These here. Do these ones even work? Oh, here's some batteries here. Oh, these work. They look quite dull though. But at least the batteries work. I might take the batteries out. Yeah, I feel like those ones are quite old. I mean, I think these are pretty much the same thing. Kind of. I don't know where I got those ones from, but they look pretty much the same. So, but this one requires less batteries. So let's see if it works. It should do. Cool. Okay. They're heaps brighter. Okay, cool. So, I don't really know where to hang both of these because I'm going to use both of them, but so I feel like I should actually undo these and just see how long they actually are, so I can kind of plan where they're going to go. Oh yeah, okay, so I see it goes along like this. Alright, okay, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put the other things up. And then we can do the lights around them. So first I need to put up my picture up there, which should be fairly easy I hope, because it's already got the things from where I put it up the first time. And then I just want to put my canvases up somewhere as well. So yeah. Okay, so I've put those up now, so I think I'm going to do the ones that hang down from here around there to like fill in that space, and then I'll find room for the other ones. So I'm going to do that now. I'll probably just hang them up with some screws or nails or whatever. So I'm going to do that now. I used the batteries that were in my old ones, so I feel like they need I need to get some new ones because they're a little bit dull, but I think they look really, really cute. I really love it. I think it looks so much nicer already, so this is kind of how it's all looking. I don't know where to put the other ones. What do you guys think? Where should I put them? I don't know. Alright, I'm going to charge my camera and take a break because I'm so exhausted right now. And then I'll be back and we can finish this off. Okay, so I just put the other lights wrapped around that painting or picture or whatever. And I think it looks quite cute. What do you guys think? I feel like I need something for over in that corner, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I think it looks super cute. Yeah, I'm probably going to finish this video here because I've kind of done everything. As for my clothes, I've just got still a few more to put away, but yeah, that should be a quick and easy job. But yeah, I want to get this video up so you guys can watch it. I wish there was someone to put that because it looks kind of ugly, but anyway. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!